back to another Freestyle Friday. Today we have part 2 of my footage from Atlantis Bahamas from a couple weeks ago. And all the footage that you're going to see today is from the DJI Mavic Air. Now this drone has been out for a few years now, and I have a few cinema drones. I have this one as well as a Phantom 4 Pro from DJI. And I find myself using this one a lot more just because of its compact size. The Phantom 4 Pro has a bigger camera on it, but it takes up an entire backpack within itself. This one I can just throw in a backpack along with my camera gear and GoPros and everything else, and not really take up too much room and not be as, I guess, noticeable in case you're trying to fly somewhere covert and not bring too much attention to yourself. You'll notice that a lot of the shots with this drone are different than the FPV drones. This one can go long range, high altitude. You're not going to have to worry about signal. It has GPS hold. I'm not going to really talk about this drone too much because it is a few years old. There's a ton of reviews about it already, but I highly recommend a DJI product if you're looking to get into taking pictures. This is really good at taking pictures in more of the professional drone video photo area of the market. If you guys have any questions about this drone specifically, let me know down below and I'll try to answer them. If you have any comments about the footage or anything like that, let me know what you think.